Automation. Automation. What a wonderful idea. In cement manufacturing, the automating process keeps your plant running at peak performance, minimizing risks of instability and quality issues, lightening your load in the process. Not to mention, it ramps up productivity and helps the whole industry move toward a greener, more sustainable future. The benefits are tremendous. But how do you make sure that the equipment and software your process relies on can support you 24/7? Well, we have good news and bad news. The good news is that our automation systems are incredibly reliable, reducing wear, minimizing downtime, cutting energy costs, increasing production, and optimizing quality. Yay. Good job. The bad news is that our automation systems are incredibly reliable, meaning your staff doesn't get much practice fixing them. So, when the unexpected happens, they might be caught off guard. It's hard to be a troubleshooting expert without much trouble to practice shooting on. Good news again, you don't have to be a target, because that's exactly where the PlantLine Service Agreement steps in. See, unlike your team, we carry out around 4,000 troubleshooting sessions every month, serving hundreds of PlantLine customers across the globe. And without wanting to brag, we kind of know our products inside and out. After all, we developed, manufactured, and commissioned them.
Hello, this is your automation solution expert speaking. You've reached the PlantLine. How can I help you today?
PlantLine covers Fuller's automation equipment and software, offering 24/7 access to a remote team for high-priority responses, maintenance, and training. Unlike services providing algorithms and interactions with a voice bot, it puts you in touch with real people, ex-commissioning staff, and experienced engineers who provide a fast response that swiftly returns you to productivity. Secure, proven, trouble-free service wrapped in expertise. I love paying for stuff I have no use for, said no one ever. We get it. That's why PlantLine offers a flexible service menu that delivers nothing more and nothing less than what you want and need.
Welcome to PlantLine. May I take your order?
Our Essential package is the main course, the base around which all other services are built. It's designed to solve urgent issues with speed and efficiency.
One PlantLine Essential, coming right up.
You want fries with that? Proactive package adds a side of preventive maintenance to keep things running smoothly and avoid any unexpected breakdowns. Craving extra peace of mind? Lifecycle is like upgrading to a combo meal packed with the latest software features for top efficiency. Thanks to managed whitelisting and system hardening, our cyber service keeps your plant deliciously protected from cyber attacks. And with real-time plant updates right on your phone, our remote technologies offer a sweet deal for those with room left for dessert. Whether you're struggling with technical issues, worrying about cyber attacks, or falling behind on efficiency due to outdated software, we've got your back, ready to serve up a productivity-boosting package of services 24/7, 365 days a year. So, what will it be?